Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today that I will be discussing to you is about the area of triangle. So, in this topic, I will be discussing to you the techniques on solving the area of a triangle. So, without going further, we will start the first technique. So, this is the first technique. When the situation of a triangle goes like this, we have here angle A, then here angle B, then here angle C, and we have one side given. Opposite of angle B is side B here. So in this situation, we have one side and given angles. So we have three angles and one side. So the formula that we will be using to this situation is like this. Area is equal to this side b squared, then multiply it by sine A, angle A, then multiply it by sine C or angle C here, then divided by 2 sine angle B. So this is multiplication. So when the situation is like this, we have three given angles A, B, C, and a given side, one side. This represents one side B. So the formula is area is equal to b squared times sine angle A this side, then sine angle C this side, then divided by 2 sine angle B. So this is the angle B. This is example. I will give you an example. Example number 1. Example number 1. So we have a triangle like this, and we have three given angles. So this is 60 degrees, and here we have 80, so 80 degrees, and here we have 40 degrees. So we have three angles, 60, 80, and 40. So the total is 180 because a triangle has 180 on all angles inside. So 60 plus 40, 100 plus 80 equals 180. Then we have a side given. So we have 3 meters. So like this. So when we have a triangle with given angles, three given angles, and one side given, so the formula that we will be using is like this. So let's solve. So area is equal to b squared. So we will be using 3 meters squared, then sine angle A. So where is A? Here. So the angle is 60 degrees, then sine C. So angle C is here, so 40 degrees, then divided by 2 sine angle B. So we have here 80. So angle B here is the opposite of the given side. So angle B here is always the opposite of the given one side. So it is 80 degrees, opposite of 3 meters. Then area, if we solve it using calculator, the area is equal to 1.03 meters squared. So this is the area. Do you follow? So if we have a given triangle like this, A, B, C, angle A, angle B, angle C, and a given one side, B, opposite of that angle B, so we will be using B squared sine angle A times sine angle C divided by 2 times sine angle B. So like this example. The 3 meters is the given one side of the triangle. Then sine 60 is the adjacent of this given one side, 60 A, angle A, and sine 40 is another adjacent to this given one side, which is angle C in this drawing. So we have 40 degrees. Then divided by 2 times sine 80 degrees, opposite of the given side. So solving it using calculator, we have an area of 1.03 meters squared. Next, another example number 2. We have this triangle. We have here 45 degrees, and here 120 degrees, then here 15 degrees. So the total is always 180. So 45 plus 15 is 60, plus 120 is equal to 180 degrees. So next, the given side is here, 2 meters. So here, the given side is on this side, but always remember that the angle B from this drawing, the angle B is always opposite on the given side B. So if we have 2 meters here, the opposite angle is 15 degrees. So this is the angle B. So let's start solving. Area is equal to B squared. So B squared here is 2 meters, the given side. So 2 meters squared times sine angle A. So sine angle A. Angle A here is the adjacent of the given side, adjacent angle. So if this is the given side, the adjacent angles are this and this. So we can choose either 120 or 45 for angle A. So if we have angle A here, so this becomes angle C, then this is angle B. So if we have angle A equals to 120 degrees, then sine angle C is equal to 45 degrees. Then divided by 2 times sine angle B. So angle B here is opposite of 2 meters, so 15 degrees. So here 2 meters squared, the given side, then sine angle A, so we are using 120. So you can also use 45. When you use 45 for angle A here, angle A, or when you are using 45 degrees for angle A, so this is angle C, because A and C are adjacent angles of the given side. So you can choose either For angle A, you can use 45 degrees, and angle C, you can also use 120 degrees. So angle B is always the opposite of the given side. So since we are using sine 120 degrees for angle A, so sine angle C is equal to 45 degrees. Angle C is 45 degrees. So the remaining angle for angle B is 15 degrees. So when we are using calculator, we can arrive an area of 1.52 meters squared. There's always a square here because it's area. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Now, the next technique that I will be discussing is like this. Like this. We have a triangle, angle A, angle B, angle C, and all the sides are given. So the opposite of B is B, opposite of A is A, and opposite of C is C. So if we have all sides given, then we can use the formula. All sides given, we can use the formula A is equal to square root of is times is minus A is minus B is minus C. So where is equal to the sum of all sides A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this is the formula. So when all sides of the triangle are given, we can use area is equal to square root of is times is minus A times is minus B times is minus C, where is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. The sum of all sides divided by 2. So this is example. Example number 1. So we have triangle A, B, C, angle A, angle B, angle C. Angles are not given, but the sides are given. So we have C is equal to 24 meters, A is equal to 18 meters, and B is equal to 36 meters. So the given here is only the sides. Angles are not given. So we have here 24, 18, and 36. So we will now use this formula. Area is equal to, before we are going to apply this, square root of is times is minus A is minus B is minus C. We will first solve the value of this. So using is equal to A is 18 meters, 18 meters, plus B 36 meters plus C 24 meters divided by 2. So the answer is 39 meters. So this is the value of is. So using this formula, we can now substitute area is equal to square root of is 39 meters. So 39 times 39 is minus A. Minus A is 18. We're not putting here meters because the space is too small, but we always remember area is always in square. So we will put that on the answer. So next is 39 minus B is equal to 36. Then 39 is minus C. 39 minus C is 24. 24. Then the area is equal to, using calculator, square root of 39 times 39 minus 18 times 39 minus 36 times 39 minus 24. So the area is equal to 191.98 meter squared. So there's always a square exponent. So this is the answer. When the given are only the sides, angles are not given. So use this formula. Next, example number 2. So this is the triangle. We have here angle A, but not given. Angle C, A, B, C. Then this side A is equal to 10 meters. Then this side C is equal to 14 meters. Then this side B is equal to 16 meters. So using this formula, area is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus A. But before that, we will first solve the value of S. So S is equal to A. A is 10 meters plus B 16 meters plus C 14 meters. Then divided by 2. So S is equal to 20 meters. Now we can now solve the value of A, area. So area is equal to square root of S is equal to 20. So because our space is too small, we will not put meters here because it's too small. So just 20 times S minus A, 20 minus 10. Then 20 minus B is 16. Then 20 minus C is 14. So 20 times 20 minus 10 times 20 minus 16 times 20 minus 14. So using calculator, the area is equal to 69.28 meter squared. This is the answer. Only sides are given. So the formula is this: 4 sides given. Next, the last technique that I will be discussing to you. So this is the figure. Triangle. So we have here angle A, angle B, angle C, and this side A, B, and C. So now we do not have side C. So the only given here is the angle and the 2 sides. angle and two sides. So this is the given here. Angle B. Angle A is not given. And angle C. So only this angle and two sides. The adjacent sides of this angle. So the formula is like this. Area is equal to the sides given AB, A times B times B times sine the angle given sine B divided by 2. So like this. One angle is given, then two adjacent sides are given. So this is the formula. AB, sides A times B, then sine the given angle divided by 2. So example number 1. Like this. The given is here, this side C is equal to 24 meters. And the angle here is 26.38 degrees. And this side is equal to 36 meters. We can notice that we have angle here and the adjacent sides are given. So 24 and 36. And the angle is 26.38 degrees. So using this formula, area is equal to A. A, according to this figure, A is the adjacent of this angle given. So the given angle here is A. So the adjacent is either you're using for A 36 or 24. So let's use 24 meters times B. From the figure here, B is the another adjacent side. So since we're using already this side, so the next side is 36 meters. Then sine angle B or the given angle. So it's 26.38 degrees. Then divided by 2. So the area is equal to, using calculator, 191.95 meter squared. So this is the area. One angle is given, two adjacent sides are given. So we can solve directly using this formula. Two adjacent sides, AB, and the given angle, then divided by 2. Here, two adjacent sides given and the angle, so 24 and 36 meters, then sine the given angle divided by 2. So the area is 191.95 meters squared. Next, another example. Example number 2. We have here triangle A, B, C. B is equal to 16 meters, and here is equal to 38.2 degrees, and here C is equal to 14 meters, and this side is not given. So two sides are given, and the angle here adjacent to this angle is this side and this side. So using this formula, area is equal to A is the adjacent side. So here either 16 or 14. So we will use 14 meters. Then B is the next adjacent side, 16 meters. Then sine angle B is the given angle, 38.2 degrees. Then divide by 2. So using calculator, we can solve the area equal to 69.26 meters squared. So this is the area. Two sides are given and the angle from these two sides, the angle 38.2. So this is the formula that you will be using for this equation. Now I will give you a question that you are going to practice. Try this at home. I will be giving all the angles and all the sides. Then try to solve the area using those techniques and compare if you have arrived the same answer. So this angle A, B, C, the angle is 48.5 degrees. Here 92.88 degrees. Here 38.62 degrees. And this side C equal to 30 meters. A is equal to 36 meters. And B is equal to 38 meters. So using those three formulas, area 1, area is equal to B squared sine A times sine B divided by sine C divided by 2 sine B. Then next, the second formula is equal, area is equal to square root of S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Then the third formula, area is equal to A times B sine B divided by 2. So using this formula, if you have the same answer, so you're correct. So try this. We have here angle A is 48.5 degrees, angle B is 92.88 degrees, angle C is 38.62 degrees. Then this side B equals 48 meters, this side A 36 meters, this side C 30 meters. So using these formulas, try this. Comment your answer if you have solved it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Till my next video, please subscribe and like, share. Thank you guys.